Okay guys, I'm going to show you a really awesome tool that Google has that you can use on your Chromebooks. So, we can use a Pythagorean theorem calculator that Google has. We want to solve for the hypotenuse, which is the distance across from the right angle. And we enter the values from our legs. So in the problem we just did, where Becky's house and Anna's house, there were 7 units and then there were 9 units. It doesn't matter which one you put where. If you wanted to say that this one was 9 and that one was 7, it'll still calculate it out the same way. So 7 and 9. So this side length was 7, this side length was 9. And if you click Show More, it literally shows you exactly how you would plug it into your calculator. So this answer here, and this number keeps going on forever and ever and ever, but this answer here is what you need to know.